So let's come back. जो लोग को लगता है it is a bad sign. Any one of you please answer why you think it's a bad sign. Any one of you. Why it's a bad sign? CR is declining, of course. So only because CR is declining, that is why it's a bad sign?
No, it's a bad sign when we compare to earlier.
Okay, when you compare with the earlier. Okay, very good. What else?
लाइबिलिटीज बढ़ रही है, एसेट कम हो रहे, दैट इज व्हाई रेशियो डाउन हो गया, तो लाइबिलिटीज बढ़ रही है तो इट्स अ बैड साइन.
Liabilities बढ़ रही है, asset is a bad sign. Okay, one more.
Day-to-day expenses में problem आ रही है, that is why it is declining.
Day-to-day expenses में problem नहीं आ रही है because company is paying everyone on time. Employees को, vendors को, और lenders को, bankers को, government को, to everyone the company is paying on time.
क्यों बढ़ रही है? पे अगर वो पे कर रही है टाइम पे बढ़ क्यों रहा है?
हाँ, क्या बढ़ रहा है?
सीएल बढ़ा ना, वो सीए घटा ना.
हाँ, CL कम हुआ, मतलब ज़्यादा हुआ.
सीए ज्यादा हो गया, उसमें मतलब ट्रेड पे
Okay.
लायबिलिटी कम हो रही है.
लाइबिलिटी कम हो रही है, ज़्यादा हो रही है सर.
लायबिलिटी ज्यादा हो रही है.
लाइबिलिटी ज़्यादा हो रही है. Okay, let me ask another question. Those of you who said it's a good sign, please answer why you think it's a good sign. Okay,
So
ma'am.
because आपने बोला कि liabilities कम नहीं हो रही, कंपनी टाइमली पे कर रही है, इट मींस जो इम्पैक्ट आ रहा है वो करंट एसेट्स की वजह से आ रहा है, इट मींस जो हम स्टॉक है और कैश है उसको प्रॉपर यूज कर रहे हैं, तो इसकी वजह से एसेट्स हमारे कम हो रहे हैं.
Very good. So that is why you think it's a good sign. Okay, very good. Yeah. Okay, very good. Anyone else?
Your rotation has become fast.
Rotation has become fast, and that is why it is a
Mismanagement of payment.
it's a good sign. Okay, very good.
Mismanagement.
Now tell me, friends, we all are business people. Some of you said good sign, some of you said bad sign. Let's find out as to what really it is. So, as a business, what would you like to happen in your business? Would you like your inventories to go up? Or would you like your inventories to go down? Everyone?
Yes.
Anyone who thinks in this class कि मेरी इन्वेंट्री ऊपर जानी चाहिए?
No.
Everybody. Okay, very good.
So
Number
that
two.
depends. अगर आपको पता आपने मार्केट फोरकास्ट किया कि मेरी आज की जो आइटम है उसका प्राइस 10 रुपये है मार्केट में, मैंने वो 4 रुपये में स्टॉक करके रखी और आने वाले टाइम में 15 रुपये की बिकेगी,
Right.
देन इन्वेंटरी इज
इसका रेशियो ऊपर नहीं
Perfectly. Sir, very good, very good. But the point is, would you like your inventories to be always high? Or only as a temporary strategy, you would like to go high for some time, but ultimately, would you like to carry that inventory forever? Or would you like to dispose it off and convert that into cash?
सेकंड ऑप्शन.
Right? So which means you would like ultimately your inventory to go down.
I would like to answer it.
सर मैं खत्म कर लूँ उसके बाद में I will give you definitely a chance. As a business, would you like your receivables to go up or go down? Anyone here who thinks that my receivables should go up?
No.
Everybody. Good. As a business, would you like your cash and bank balance to go up or go down?
Go up. Not bank balance. No bank balance. Bank balance ज़्यादा नहीं बढ़ना चाहिए.
We really have to think before we
We
answer.
have to invest it.
So as a business, would you like your cash and bank balance to go up or would you like it to go down? You would like this to go down to a reasonable level
Exactly.
so that your operations are not adversely impacted. Very good. As a business, would you like your trade payables to go up or go down?
Down.
सोच के बोलिए. अभी भी सोच के बोलिए. Trade payable. So would you like your trade payables to, and please remember, those of you who are not responding, in case if you have a doubt in your mind, please ask, because this is your opportunity. This is your opportunity to get, the concept completely clear. So would you like your payables to go up or go down?
Sir, payables to down.
Okay. So, yeah.
Can you please explain trade tables
Trade payable is, you know, when you purchase the material and you buy it on credit. So when you buy it on credit, say 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, so you pay to the suppliers for 1 month, after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months actually. So would you like your payables to go up or would you like your payables to go down? Let me paraphrase this question. Would those of you who are saying that you would like your trade payables to go down, listen to the second question and give me the answer. Would you like your suppliers to give you longer credit period or would you like them to give you shorter credit period? So if your suppliers are going to give you longer credit period, your payables are going to be high or your payables are going to be low. So that means without any doubt, every one of you want that your payables should also go up. अब जरा ध्यान से सुनना, आप सब लोगों ने क्या कहा? आप सब लोगों ने कहा कि हमारी इन्वेंट्री कम होनी चाहिए. आप सब लोगों ने कहा हमारे रिसीवेबल्स भी कम होने चाहिए. आप सब लोगों ने थोड़े हेजिटेशन के बाद में एक्सेप्ट किया और कहा कि हमारा कैश एंड बैंक बैलेंस भी कम होना चाहिए. एक तरफ आपने ये बात कही, दूसरी तरफ आपने क्या कहा कि हमारे पेबल्स, कुछ लोगों को डाउट था लेकिन बाद में सबने कहा हमारे पेबल्स जाने चाहिए. अब जरा बताइए मुझे, आपकी इन्वेंट्री कम हो रही है जो कि आप चाहते हैं, आपके रिसीवेबल्स कम हो रहे हैं जो कि आप चाहते हैं, आपका कैश एंड बैंक बैलेंस कम हो रहा है जो कि आप चाहते हैं, आपके पेबल्स बढ़ रहे हैं जो कि आप चाहते हैं. तो अगर आप ये सब कुछ करेंगे तो आपका करंट रेशो ऊपर जाएगा कि नीचे जाएगा? और अगर आपका करंट रेशो नीचे जाएगा तो ये कंपनी ने क्या गुनाह किया है?
क्यों हम इसको बैड बोल रहे हैं?
इस कंपनी को क्यों बैड बोल रहे हो? क्योंकि ये कंपनी का भी करंट रेशो 2.25 से घट के 1.45 पे आया, 1.05 पे रह गया. फ्रेंड्स, दैट इज व्हाट इज वर्किंग कैपिटल मैनेजमेंट इज ऑल अबाउट. दैट इज व्हाट इज वर्किंग कैपिटल मैनेजमेंट. हाँ ऐसे ही है. और जोर से